Welcome to the legend of a true champion, a saga of courage and sacrifice, of gallant deeds and ingenious technical skills that has changed the destinies of battles and the courses of wars.
This is the journey of the Corps of Electronics and Mechanical Engineers, techno warriors of the Indian Army, where innovation and valor is a way of life.
The Indian Army is a well-oiled fighting machine of more than 1 million soldiers. Looking after the technological development and maintenance aspects of the plethora of equipment incorporating cutting-edge technologies is the Corps of Electronics and Mechanical Engineers. In the network-centered futuristic battle scenario, the role of EME as a key element in ensuring the operational efficiency and supremacy of the Indian Army assumes great significance.
Army ethos of valor, determination and fortitude has always been the hallmark of this corps. Let us take you down memory lane and trace the footprints of our visionary forefathers.
On the 1st of May 1943, in the thick fog of war, repair elements of the Royal Indian Army Service Corps and the Indian Army Ordnance Corps were merged to form the Indian Electrical and Mechanical Engineers, the IEME.
The partition of 1947 saw the nascent corps perform special operations in Jammu and Kashmir. The year 1950 saw the Republic emerge from the Raj, and IEME was rechristened as the Corps of Electrical and Mechanical Engineers, a competent force of a proud nation.
Regimental colours have always been symbols embodying the spirit of the people who fight under them.
Our training centers are the anvils of the soldier craftsman.
During the basic military training, strength and agility are developed along with basic firing skills. While during technical training, technical horizons of the recruit are broadened in the state-of-the-art laboratories and classrooms.
The Military College of Electronics and Mechanical Engineering trains the EME technicians and officer cadre in tank technology, aviation, radar, telecommunication and information technology systems, apart from training middle-rung officers in tactical concepts and management of EME units.
Training on small arms, armament and medical equipment and instruments, including sophisticated night vision equipment, apart from B vehicles, is imparted at EME School, Vadodara.
The Simulator Development Division, established under the aegis of the EME, has produced world-class simulators. The Corps is also delving into the emerging field of robotics, which would be deployed increasingly in the coming years.
The Corps of EME is managing with elan the matrix of divergent technology thresholds in today's multi-dimensional warfare amidst vivid weather and terrain conditions spread across our country.
In the blazing heat of the deserts, the role of EME assumes added significance. The forward repair teams and mine casualty repair teams provide continuous real-time support shoulder to shoulder with the mechanized formations.
The last 5 years have witnessed a heavy induction of modern surveillance equipment deployed in isolated posts in the mountains and along the line of control. Bridging the gaps between users' aspirations and equipment capabilities in these far-flung areas has become the forte of the gallant Eagles by reaching out as far forward as possible and delivering groundbreaking innovations.
We ensure that the wings of the Army keep soaring higher at all time and under all conditions. Unmanned aerial vehicles have proved themselves to be the most potent surveillance and attack platforms in modern-day warfare. Far-flung detachments of the Eagles are instrumental in keeping these birds flying.
A constant endeavor to improve upon the past has been a way of life for the Eagles. The 8 Army base workshops and 2 advanced base workshops of the core of EME have been rendering yeoman service in the overall and intricate repair of a wide variety of equipment.
Headquarters Base Workshop Group coordinates and facilitates the ever-increasing scope of activities of the base workshops. Our base workshops play a pivotal role in breathing new life into weapon platforms that have been with us for quite some time.
In view of the high cost of imports and to reduce the dependence on foreign firms and countries for critical spares, indigenization is the need of the hour. The responsibility for indigenization has now been entrusted to the core of EME.
Headquarters Technical Group is the technology think tank of the Indian Army, coordinating the entire spectrum of engineering support activities. The passion for sports and adventure flows in the veins of every soldier craftsman.
The core of EME has always been in the forefront in providing aid to civil authorities.
In Operations Vijay and Parakram, the sheer technical competence and innovative approach of EME personnel enabled them to live up to the expectations of the nation by providing engineering support of an exceptionally high order. Every war that the nation has fought has left behind the saga of the bravery and undaunting courage of the soldier craftsman.
No other corps at its age and against such overwhelming odds did so much, dared so much, toiled so much and gave so much to an organization.
The challenges ahead are indeed many, but with such profound vision and clarity of thought at the very helm, and a dedicated workforce that is the pride of the Indian Army, the soldier craftsman marches on, undeterred, and with renewed vigor and vitality.